Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Twin Flames Universe, your guide to discovering your twin flame, eternal love, and spirituality. I am certified ascension coach Arshia, and today we are reading from two card decks related to twin flame connection, which is the energy card deck and the rose oracle, because I felt that it will be very helpful to read what your energies are, what your partner's energies are, and what will be blocking your connection. And rose is for healing and also for us to find out what is romantically there between the two of you. So let's start by shuffling the cards as I this is live reading today. I am channeling the energy as it happens. The first question is, what is the current energy saying related to you and your divine masculine? And the cards are already talking. So appreciation. Oh, wow. Okay, nice. Appreciation is the first card we have received. So let's see what is the next card. I'm going to pick a couple. Strategy, nice. So as this comes, this is what is picking up on your connection between you and your divine masculine. Okay, journey. Okay, so this came inverted. So let's keep it like that and let's into why it came inverted. What is the specific reason it came inverted? I feel guided that, this is only 3 cards in this. And let's pick up the next deck. I love the Rose Oracle deck because it is very heart healing and very loving. Oh, there you go. See, cards already popping out. There you go. The Anointed. Wow. Okay. So, yes, we will read into this as I go deeper. And let's find out what the card decks are speaking to us. Well, I will pick a couple of more cards and see what is coming our way. The Rose of Venus. Oh, okay. Okay. So I'm going to keep the last card or a couple of last cards for shuffling later. As I can see here, the appreciation. So looks like you appreciating your journey, you appreciating who you are would really help in the whole process, and appreciating the small fruits, the low hanging fruits. That is, what is a low hanging fruit? You manifested something due to your healing. Maybe it is something small related to your union, maybe a small communication with your twin flame, or your twin flame just looking at you or liking your picture. So appreciating those small things will help. Gratitude will help have furthermore flowers. So see, this is dry, right? So more gratitude, more garden, more greenery, and more florals, more fruits to enjoy. So the more you appreciate what you are blooming, you will receive more of that. So if you've received any sort of connection, communication with your twin flame, please appreciate it. Don't complain about it that, oh, he only spoke to me for this, or he didn't reply back to my last question, do you love me? So first build friendship with your twin flame. They will reply back to the message whether they love you or not. When you appreciate that small connection, actually any connection with your twin flame is considered divine. Even if initially in the initial stages of my journey, it was just my twin flame calling up and asking, how is the weather, did you drink tea or coffee today? So well, I built from there. I built friendship from there, and I built a beautiful relationship with my twin flame from there. So friendship, can think of building friendship. Don't be sad about it's not a romantic relationship. It is a romantic relationship underneath all that tension. So yes, strategy, here you go. So strategy is, well, Strategy is nothing but have your goals set. Do you desire your union? Then strategize it. Do you need it? Then strategize it and go for it, right? Claim it, go for it, and enjoy it. And strategy is a big part of what you desire, what you want in your journey. So go ahead and do that. See, here what I'm seeing is journal. So if you want to better your connection with your partner, what I'm seeing is that you have to journal more in terms of you have to write down the mirror exercise, get clear on your feelings, and also write down your visions. What are your visions? What is your vision towards your journey, towards your union? How are you going to move towards it? Also will help because it's the beginning of new year, right? And love list is also coming up. Love list is there in the book Twin Flames, Finding Your Ultimate Lover by Jeff and Shelia. You can place the link here under the video. So learn how to write a love list also and work towards it. The connection is definitely going to develop. So why I feel the journey came inverted is that you are doubting, is this my twin flame? Is this journey for me? Well, the bags are already packed. You're already on the process, in the journey. So there is no, even if you close your eyes to it, the journey is not going to disappear. The journey is going to be peaceful and good if you just choose to walk with the light, that is with the healing, with the mirror exercise. The journey will be much more easier. So I feel like this is going to clean up your energy if you start appreciating better, if you know what are your goals related to your partner, like who is your desired partner, how do they feel like, what is it that they feel like, it's not like how they look like, mostly how do they feel like. That will really help you in understanding that who is this person that you are looking for, your divine masculine especially. And here this card I received is the anointed, which is answer the call, leadership, empowerment, soul gifts. So again, it is a card showing the divine feminine to come into her power and answer the call within of the twin flame journey. Say yes to the twin flame journey. And well, if you say yes to it, the cards are promising, the universe also promises it, undoubtedly, that the Rose of Venus, alignment, flow, right relationship, and harmony. Do you see the couple here? In a lot of romance and in union. Well, if you follow these steps and if you choose to take up the leadership in your healing, leadership within, lead your journey. Don't wait for your partner, your divine masculine to come and join you. You lead it. You join yourself. You choose yourself, and they will come to you. And union is inevitable. The right relationship will come to you. If you are doubting that this the relationship for me, the card is clearly showing yes, it is. But you have to take lead. Yes, as a feminine, it's like, how can I take lead? Well, in the spiritual realm, this feminine is the energy. So technically, you do take the lead. That's why masculine say that, you see all those wife comments, right? Like, yes, I say yes to my wife, no matter what, say yes to my wife. Because the feminines actually lead spiritually in the relationship, but the masculines lead physically in the relationship. So they will come to you and they will lead when you start leading within in your inner work, basically. Doing all the inner work, start leading there, and your masculine will come and ask for your hand, which is what exactly happened to me also in my journey, because I took the responsibility of the healing part, and the masculine will take the responsibility of the external part of asking your hand or asking you for a date or however it is. We don't know, in different couples, it's the journey is different, but however your heart feels good about it. And one last card I'm going to pull, I wanted it to be a surprise sort, so that's why there you go. So we've got the card, Mother roles, returning to each other, compassion and humanity. Oh, peace. Yes, returning back to your own peace. And mirror exercise is a great tool to return back to your own peace. Going into Mother God energy, that is divine feminine energy. The more you go back to this sort of energy within yourself, maybe meditation, maybe enjoying a spa or something a little more deeper than a spa. I would say I see a lot of spiritual energy here. Connecting to your divine feminine will really help you, and having compassion and humanity for yourself, like treating yourself like this beautiful flower with a lot of compassion and humanity will help you return to each other. The card is literally giving you a solution how to return to each other. So, with that, thank you so much. I will see you next week soon. For any further readings, contact an Ascension coach. Thank you.